my amazing creative humans. Today is just another work day. So I did a live earlier today, so now I'm just going to be um, working. So it's already 5 p.m. here in California, so I'm just going to start working. I'm going to be putting on time lapse, so you guys just be watching me work. I'm sorry that I'm talking like this because I just came back from the dentist, and yeah, this whole face is all numb, so you guys see my face is a little bit funny right now. So I'm not really talking too much, so let's just get to work, you guys. Hey, my creative humans, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. Today is Friday, April 15th, 2022, and it's 3 p.m. here in California, so I'm just going to be working. So I didn't have any orders, not a lot of orders this week. So I think since Tuesday to today, I only received 5 Etsy orders, so I will just be working on them and fulfilling them. In the meantime, I didn't do anything because I was waiting for my AJ blinks. So my AJ blinks just got here today, so I'm gonna get to work, you guys, because I was out of those size and I didn't place an order till Monday morning when I was trying to work on the order that came on Sunday. So my processing time is about 7 days, business days, so I still have a bit of time to get the item out. So in the meantime, I didn't do much, so I have to work today and then tomorrow and Sunday, since I didn't do much since Tuesday. While I was waiting for the blinks, I was just practicing some drawing on my Illustrator. I am working on Illustrator along with Photoshop and also my Embroidery digitizing programs in the time that I'm not fulfilling Etsy order, and to also just take care of the household and other things. So today I'm just gonna be working, and let's get to it. So I already print out all of my order. I put it on this little shelf thing over there. So right now I'm just preparing some stuff. I have to replenish this applique. I think this is the shirt that keep on selling, so I just cut some pre-fabric applique before, so when people order it, I already have some stuff here. I might have to probably go buy the whole bolt of this fabric just in case Hobby Lobby decides to discontinue it, because Hobby Lobby did continue some fabric. So you guys get your stuff from Hobby Lobby and Joann. Usually they discontinue like the fabric a year later, so there might be a print that's doing really well for you. So make sure you guys buy like 1 or 2 bolts, because you might not be able to find again. So that's just for safety, if in case I am planning to stay in this physical business. But I might not be able, I might not have to buy it because I got like 4 yards of it already. So if it runs out, then I guess I have to find a new fabric. And if Hobby Lobby discontinue it, then I probably just have to find a new one. Or I might not even have to buy anymore because I am switching over to digital products. So we'll see how that plan out. So I'm not really sure at this moment, but I think 4 yards should be plenty because I still have a lot. You see this? This is still a lot. I think this is not 4 yards. I think this is really only 2 yards left. So anyways, let's just get to work. So I'm gonna be cutting applique stuff, and then cutting my bloomers, because I got 3 orders of the baby bloomer outfit, so I have to prepare those 3. I know I should have done it like on Wednesday, but I was like into the whole designing and learning and practicing Illustrator and Embroidery and stuff, so I didn't want to like touch any sewing until now, since it's almost time for me to ship it out, so I gotta get to work now. I can't be drawing or playing on the computer anymore, so we will get to work today, and I will be on timeless, so we'll just be working, okay? Hey, my amazing creative humans. So today is Saturday, April the 16th. So just another work day. Since yesterday, I received 2 more orders, so now I'm up at 7. And I was live yesterday, so I was just working on the little bloomers. So today I will be embroidering, and I'll try to get at least 3 done today, so then I can do 4 tomorrow and hopefully ship everything out on Monday, so next week, so I can start on new orders if anything come in next week. So that's just how Etsy is. You kind of like fulfill orders that you receive, and then next time more order come in, you just fulfill them. So just week to week, I just kind of like wait for sales, and then when the sale come in, I just fulfill it. And while I wait, I do other things for YouTube or just computer work, just those kind of things in between. So I don't really stress about trying to get tons and tons of sales. About 5 to 10 a week is like a good sales number for me. Just for me to be able to get the item out on time and not stress too much, because last week I didn't have any more of the 18-month onesies, so I was waiting for them, but then I have a 7-day processing time, so the person also don't need those outfits until like May 14, 15, so I still have quite a little bit of time. But I'm going to get it out on Monday and Tuesday, just so it's out of the way and it will have enough time to arrive to the customer. Anyways, let's just get to work, you guys. like, and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.